As a DUI defense lawyer, one of the biggest fears I address is the fear of losing your license. As a normal driver, generally it's 120 days. As a CDL driver, it's a 1-year license suspension. So these are legitimate fears. But there's a lot that has to happen for your license to get suspended, assuming you're in state. First off, the officer's got to actually take your license. Sometimes they don't do that. Then they got to turn it into the clerk. Well, that don't happen sometimes. Then the clerk's got to send it to the Department of Public Safety. Imagine some bureaucrat messing up somewhere. And then the Department of Public Safety has to either come personally serve you or send you certified mail notice of your suspension. Well, that doesn't always happen. All those must happen before they can legitimately suspend your license. And if you're curious of whether or not your license is suspended, go pull it up on the Department of Public Safety's website. It's a My Clear form. Go fill it out. I think it costs a couple bucks. Doesn't take but a few minutes. And they'll tell you whether or not your license is suspended, and if it is suspended, for what reason. And by the way, if you got an out-of-state license, it becomes more difficult because then Mississippi has to notify Louisiana or Arkansas or Tennessee, Alabama, wherever you're at, Department of Public Safety, to suspend your license. And that entity has to go and suspend. They have to follow their own procedures. So the chances of that happening drop drastically. Also, after you've done the My Clear form, keep in mind if you got a DUI charge, there's a terrible statute out there that says you got to have your DUI trial within 30 days. If you don't have it within 30 days, Commissioner of Public Safety shall suspend your license. We go ahead and file a motion for a trial within 30 days or an alternative to extend your driving privileges in every case that we handle. And that's another one of the reasons it's important to get an attorney involved early. I'm the big man, attorney Joey Franks, the Big Man Law here in Jackson, Mississippi, member of the DUI Defense Lawyers Association, National College for DUI Defense, and American Association of Premier DUI Attorneys. I've been doing this over a decade. Big Man Law, we get big results.